Okay guys, let me show you how to remove a background from a transparent object. Okay, so let's go down to Photoshop. Okay, so we have to remove the background of this image. So what we need to do is, first of all, you click on this eraser tool, click on background eraser tool, then you click on this, then make sure is always on contiguous. This contiguous, not contiguous, sorry. Always make sure it's discontinuous. The tolerance 38%. Then the next thing you have to erase the background. Okay, as you can see, it can move as a PNG from JPEG to PNG file now. So you can save it and you can use it anytime you want. Okay, so this is how to remove a background from a transparent object. So this is how to remove a background from a transparent object. So you can save it as PNG. You Control Alt X. Okay, PNG file. So this is how to save it as a PNG file. Then you click on PNG. Then you click on save. Automatically, you now have this in your own. File. You can use it at any time you need it or anytime you want. So that's how to remove a background of transparent object. See you guys on my next video. Hope you grab.